When it comes to Elon Musk, we often think of bold and sometimes crazy projects, right? From sending humans to Mars to creating electric cars that change the entire auto industry. He always makes us admire. And this time, Elon Musk is betting big on a new idea. Robotaxi, a completely self-driving car that promises to revolutionize both the transportation and car-sharing industries. But is this too risky a move for Tesla? Let's find out right away. Tesla is more than just a car company, under the leadership of Elon Musk. The company is transforming itself into a leading technology company. Musk's vision extends beyond just producing conventional electric cars to fully autonomous vehicles. He believes that the future of Tesla is not cars with steering wheels but autonomous vehicles, where humans no longer need to be involved in the controls. The Robotaxi, or Cybercab, is the embodiment of that vision. Elon Musk has outlined a plan to make Tesla a pioneer in revolutionizing two major fields: the automobile industry and the ride-sharing service industry. The idea is not just to create a self-driving car but also an ecosystem around it. Connecting users with technology, the Robotaxi is expected to not only change the way people travel but also usher in a new era where cars are no longer depreciating assets but become profitable tools. However, this ambition also brings significant challenges. Putting self-driving technology into practice requires a leap forward in both technology and the legal system. Musk emphasized that Tesla is not only competing with traditional car manufacturers but also reshaping the global transportation industry. Robotaxi is not only a technological product but also a strategy for Tesla to maintain its leading position, affirming that they are not just a car manufacturer but a pioneering technology company. In a broader view, this move is also Elon Musk's effort to strengthen Tesla's image as an innovative brand, always ahead of the times. In the context of artificial intelligence, AI technology becoming a hot trend, the development of Robotaxi helps Tesla continue to attract the attention of both the market and investors. This is a strong message. Tesla is not only making cars, but also shaping the future of transportation. Self-driving technology, while promising to bring about great changes, faces a series of technical and social challenges. To achieve the goal of fully autonomous vehicles, Level 5, the system must be able to handle every situation that a driver might encounter, from chaotic urban traffic to extreme weather conditions. However, reality shows that simulating and accurately handling human driving behavior is not easy. Factors such as intuitive judgment, the ability to handle unexpected situations, or even the implicit interactions between drivers on the road are still things that AI cannot do perfectly. In addition, legal complexity is a major obstacle. The legal systems in many countries are not yet equipped to handle issues arising from self-driving cars. For example, if an accident occurs, who will be legally responsible, the manufacturer, the car owner, or the AI software itself? The lack of uniformity between national and state regulations further slows down the implementation of this technology. This is not only a technological problem but also a major social and political challenge. In addition, accidents involving self-driving systems have occurred, making public opinion and authorities more cautious. Many Tesla drivers have tended to completely leave the system, leading to serious incidents. This highlights a major problem. No matter how advanced the technology is, it still needs to be used properly and responsibly by humans. This raises big questions about how ready society is for fully self-driving cars. Elon Musk doesn't just want to create a self-driving car. He wants to redefine car ownership. His vision of Robotaxi is a combination of Uber and Airbnb, where Tesla is not just a means of personal transportation but also a productive asset. The idea has the potential to transform a car from an asset that depreciates over time into an investment vehicle. Tesla owners can add their car to a Robotaxi fleet, earning money when not in use. Musk hopes this will revolutionize both the automotive industry and the shared transportation service. However, the idea is not simple. First, for a car to become a Robotaxi, it needs to be upgraded in both hardware and software. Tesla relies on over-the-air updates, which allow cars to receive new features without changing the hardware. But is the current hardware in the Model 3 and Model Y powerful enough to handle full self-driving without major upgrades? This is an important question. Second, the issue of vehicle operation and maintenance in the Robotaxi model also poses a challenge. Robotaxis will need to be charged, maintained, and cleaned regularly to ensure continuous operation. But who will be responsible for these tasks, the car owners or Tesla? And will Tesla's current support network be sufficient to meet this demand when the number of cars increases significantly? Finally, the robotaxi business model is still ambiguous. How will profits be shared between Tesla and car owners? How will operating costs be calculated? These are all questions that need to be clearly addressed if we want to attract users and convince investors that this is a viable and profitable idea in the long term. Musk's vision is a bold move, but the ambiguity of its execution and the practical risks have left many wondering whether it's too big a gamble. Even for someone as famous as Elon Musk, Tesla has taken a different approach to developing self-driving technology than many of its competitors. Instead of relying on lidar, light detection and ranging technology, a complex and expensive sensor system commonly used by Waymo and other companies, Tesla has focused on using cameras and software based on artificial intelligence, AI. According to Elon Musk, lidar is unnecessary and too expensive. He argues that if humans can drive with just their eyes and brains, then AI and cameras can do the same. The advantage of this approach is that it helps Tesla reduce production costs, thereby keeping the price of the car more reasonable for consumers. Meanwhile, Waymo's lidar-powered self-driving cars can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, making them difficult to commercialize on a large scale. However, using only cameras and AI also poses greater challenges for Tesla. Cameras need to process massive amounts of complex information in real time, requiring an extremely advanced and accurate AI system to analyze and make safe decisions in all situations. While Tesla claims that this approach is more practical and efficient, it is controversial. Lidar technology has proven to be reliable in recognizing the environment around the car with high accuracy, especially in low light or bad weather conditions. The difference in this approach is not only technical but also philosophical. Tesla is betting on improving AI through real-world data from millions of cars on the road, while Waymo is taking a slow and steady approach, focusing on well-controlled areas. One of Tesla's biggest strategies in the autonomous driving race is to leverage real-world data from its huge fleet of cars. Every Tesla sold is equipped with a data collection system, from cameras to sensors, that helps the company collect information about how people drive, different traffic situations, and even errors the system encounters. This data is then used to improve AI algorithms, creating an increasingly intelligent and accurate self-driving system. This approach gives Tesla a huge advantage because it provides a more diverse and rich data source than any other company. While competitors like Waymo use geofencing models in strictly designed and controlled areas, Tesla relies on real-world environments with millions of different traffic situations. Elon Musk believes that this helps Tesla's AI learn and adapt faster, thereby developing full self-driving capabilities. However, this approach is not without risks. Real data does not mean perfect data. Rare or unusual situations can be difficult to handle effectively, leading to the risk of accidents. Tesla has also faced criticism for using customers as test subjects for its self-driving technology. Accidents involving Tesla's self-driving features have led to numerous lawsuits and regulatory investigations. Real-world data helps Tesla create a dynamic, evolving self-learning system that closely resembles the way humans drive. But this evolution also raises the question, is real-world testing the best way to ensure safety? Or is Tesla betting too much on the belief that its technology will improve quickly? Self-driving cars are not just a technological story, but also carry with them major ethical issues. In critical situations, how will self-driving cars make decisions? For example, if they have to choose between protecting passengers and pedestrians, who will they prioritize? This is a question that Tesla, along with other companies, needs to answer. Furthermore, in the event of an accident, will we accept that a self-driving car causes a fatal error, even if a human would make the same mistake while driving? These issues require not only technological development but also social consensus on legal and ethical responsibilities. In fact, Tesla has faced many lawsuits related to accidents caused by its self-driving system, as users tend to trust the technology too much. Tesla is currently facing great pressure from investors. Its stock price is often volatile, reflecting huge expectations for future projects. With robotaxi, Elon Musk is betting his reputation and company value on a bold but risky idea. Tesla has overcome skepticism to become a market leader in electric vehicles. But fully autonomous technology is a much more complicated problem. Any failure could cause investors to lose confidence. leading to huge financial and reputational losses. Therefore, robotaxi is not just a technology product, but also a vital test of Tesla's long-term strategy and vision. One of the biggest disappointments for customers is Tesla's cancellation of plans to produce a low-cost $25 electric car. This is the model that Elon Musk once promised would popularize electric vehicles, expanding the market to the middle class. The shift in focus to robotaxi not only loses this opportunity but also raises the question of whether Tesla is moving away from the goal of creating products that are suitable for a wider range of users. This is especially important as competitors, like BYD and Chinese electric car makers, are offering more affordable options and slowly taking over the market. Elon Musk has long been known for his bold ideas and ability to make the seemingly impossible happen. From landing rockets at sea to bringing electric cars to the mainstream, he has proven that risky ventures can sometimes pay off big time. But robotaxi is a much bigger gamble. It's not just a matter of technology or finance, but also a test of whether or not society can accept fully autonomous vehicles. Musk is betting Tesla's future on this project, with the potential to revolutionize transportation. But if it fails, it could threaten his entire career and the future of the company. It's this kind of audacity that makes Elon Musk both admired and skepticized, and robotaxi is the biggest test he's ever faced.